How to water rubber plant. Let me show you the right way to do it. Before watering your plant, always test the soil to make sure it's dry enough and the plant is ready for a drink. Use soil moisture meter, insert it in the soil as deep as possible around the plant, and if the soil moisture reading is between zone 3, which is top of the dry zone, and 4, which is the bottom of the moist zone, then your plant is ready to be watered. Pour water very slowly, as close to the plant stem as possible. Rotate your plant, make sure the water goes all around the plant, and after you are done watering, you can also use the soil moisture meter to make sure you used enough water and the bottom roots are wet and well hydrated. You can insert the meter in the soil, and then the meter reading will change to the wet zone. If you have any more questions about how to water your rubber plant, let me know in the comments below.